Welcome to my channel.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a French style beret. I'll be using 12 inches diameter. You mark it out, get the middle which is 6 inches. Then you fold your paper into 4 and again. Okay. Then you will measure out 6 inches which is the middle. You from the angle here, you mark all the way around 6 inches. Okay. Get your scissors and start cutting to get a perfect circle. Wow. There you go. Now I already have a hard cardboard that I already made with the same size which I use. So now we'll be cutting. I'm using this fleece fabric, very beautiful fleece fabric. You can use felt, which is a common one for making this French style beret, or any kind of beret. You'll be needing 3 of this. My scissors is not that strong to cut out 3, so I'll be cutting the third one separately to make 3 pieces. Now we have the 3 pieces, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. We will need to make a hole opening for the head. Now you can use 3 inches, you can use 2.5. I use mostly 2.5 when I use this fabric because my fabric is soft. It can easily expand when you try to wear it. But you can use 3 inches if you are using a stiff fabric. So when you cut it out, you will need to cut out another one to make 2. This is the first one. Let's go for the second one, the same size. 2.5 inches. Don't forget you can use 3 inches. You go between 2.5 and 3 inches. Okay, now you place one of them on the one that is not cut, just like this. You sew it all around to the end. Good. Now some people can leave it like this and just hem out the opening. That's okay if you're using it for yourself, but if you want it to look professional, look clean, and have more volume, you need this third one right here. Okay, now you're gonna stitch the opening round like this. I like to hold it because sometimes it tends to shift, then you have a twisted stuff. So hold it around with your pin or clips, then sew it around. And when you're done, turn it inside out. Then you have something like this. It's almost done, but it's not quite. Okay, let's keep watching. Try to flatten it the best way you can. I like to use steam, not necessarily pressing it down, but just steam to kind of, you know, make it smooth and beautiful without messing up the fabric. Now you will need to sew this part. Just watch how we do it. fold it, cover up the old stitches. Just look at it. You have to fold it, then pin it down to cover up the previous stitches that we made. Okay, now look closely. Fold, push the stitch in and press it, then pin it there. That's gonna cover up the stitches there and also keep the inside of the hat really clean and beautiful. Okay, you're almost done. You can leave it like this if you want to, or you can put that the middle tiny tail on top. Okay, don't forget this is unisex. So for women, I like to put brooch to beautify it. You can use whatever you like, a pin, a charm, a pendant, whatever. You know, I like brooch and I have some of them, so I could use them. Now, if you want to put that tiny tail on top of the hat, just get this, sew it round, then bring it inside out. You don't need to make it too long. This looks a little long. Okay, cut it. Get the middle. Make sure you are putting it right in the center. You could do this. Fold it like this to get the actual center. Right there. Use your needle and thread. I know a lot of people like me don't like to use needle, but it is necessary here. Stitch it, knot it really tight. You're done. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Put your notification bell. Come back for more. Alright, now you have a beautiful French style beret. It's unisex. Thank you for watching and see you back again. Bye bye.